Welcome to UniSellergy. In this video, we will understand how to view and edit product details from the inventory module. Step 1. Open the inventory module. First, go to the inventory module from the left side menu. Here, you will see the inventory dashboard where all your products are listed. At the top, you will see overview summary cards such as all products, active stock, to ship, low stock, out of stock, unlisted. These cards provide a quick overview of your product inventory status across all connected channels. Step 2. Select a product. In the product listing table, you can view information such as SKU/product title, category and variation type, nickname, sellable price, to ship quantity, channels where the product is available. If you want to edit a product, go to the action column and click on the edit icon. This will open the product details page. Product information section. At the top of the page, you will see the product information section. Here, you can view important product details such as item name, SKU code, brand, stock quantity, product ID, product category, product type, last sync date, product creation date. On the right side, you will also see the product status, which shows whether the product is active or inactive. Product action buttons. At the top right side of the page, you will see 5 action options. These include select channel, discard, update, sync product, delete. Let's understand each option. Select channel. The Select Channel drop-down allows you to view or edit the product for a specific sales channel. If the product is mapped to multiple channels, those channels will appear in the drop-down. For example, SKU name WooCommerce, SKU name Amazon, SKU name Shopify. You can select any channel to view or manage the product details for that specific channel. If the product is not mapped to any other channel, the drop-down will remain disabled. Discard button. The discard button appears only when you make changes to the product details. If you click discard, all unsaved changes will be removed and the product will return to its previous state. Update button. When you modify any product information, the update button becomes active. Click the update button to save and apply the changes. If no changes are made, the update button will remain disabled. Sync product button. Next to the update button, you will see the sync product button. If your product information is not synchronized with the connected channel, you can click sync product. This will fetch the latest product data from the channel and update it in UniSellergy. Delete button. You will also see the delete button. If you want to completely remove the product, click the delete button. A confirmation pop-up will appear to verify the action. After confirmation, the product will be deleted from the UniSellergy system and the respective channel. Product information tabs. Below the product information section, you will see 3 tabs: General information, variations, product listed on. Let's understand each section. General information. The General information tab allows you to edit the basic product details. Price. You can update maximum retail price, our selling price, quantity. Here, you can update the product quantity available for sale. This quantity is used for inventory management and order fulfillment. Product weight. You can enter the product weight in kilograms, which is used for shipping calculations. Product images. You can also manage product images in this section. Important image requirements include minimum resolution 1024 by 1024, maximum image size 2 megabytes, supported formats JPG, JPEG, PNG, WebP. Maximum image upload limit 16 images. You can upload images using the Add Photos option. Low stock warning. You can set a low stock warning level for the product. When the stock quantity falls below this level, the product will appear in the low stock section of the inventory dashboard. Product details section. This section includes additional product details such as product name, permalink, product description, SKU, sale date range, tax class, stock status, manage stock setting, product dimensions such as length, width, and height. These details help maintain accurate product listings across different channels. Variations tab. Next, click on the Variations tab. Here, you can view all product variations such as different sizes or colors. For each variation, you will see product name, SKU code/product ID, variation type, status. For example, size 27 EU, size 28 EU. Each variation is listed separately and shows whether it is published or active. Product listed on tab. Next, click on the Product Listed On tab. This section shows all channels where this product is currently listed. Here you can see channel name, product title, SKU code, channel product ID, available quantity. This allows you to track the same product across multiple channels such as WooCommerce, Amazon, Shopify, and other integrated marketplaces. Conclusion. Using the Inventory Product Details page, you can easily edit product price and quantity, manage product images, view product variations, track which channels the product is listed on, sync product data from channels, delete products if required. This helps you manage your inventory efficiently across all sales channels. Thank you for using UniSellergy.